How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. I just want to say a few things first. I know I haven't been putting out a lot of videos, and that's because I've got a 9-month-old. She's 9 months. She takes up most of my time, so I'm trying my best. So just bear with me. I'm doing more. It's getting a little easier, but she's a handful, but I love her to death. So this dish is a vegetarian delight. That's right, a vegetarian delight. I love this dish, and I think any vegetarian would. So it's carrots cooked 3 ways. You got the carrot puree, got the roasted carrots, and the carrot ribbons. I've done a feta mint dressing, which is bloody delicious, and I've toasted some macadamia nuts. So slap a like on this video, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I've got an app, all the links down below. I've got a really good app, really good, so check it out. Amazon shop StevesCooking, where you can see all the stuff I use you can actually buy on Amazon, which is really good. So check it out. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy it because it is a vegetarian delight. The humble carrot, delicious, nutritious, packed full of vitamins, reduces the risk of cancer, lowers blood cholesterol, weight loss, high health, and many more. For the dressing, add feta and fresh mint to a blender. Followed by Dijon mustard, honey, white wine vinegar, olive oil. Now blitz until smooth. If the dressing's a little thick, add some water to loosen, about a tablespoon. Now place in the fridge. For the roasted carrots, add to a roasting pan, add salt and olive oil, and mix. Now place in the oven and cook. For the puree, top and tail carrots, peel, cut in half and roughly chop. Followed by onion and garlic. Grab a pestle and mortar, add fennel seeds, pinch of salt and grind. Add olive oil to a pan, followed by onions, fennel seeds, garlic, and carrots. Stir well and sweat for 10 minutes. Add water, bring to a boil, then simmer. Lid on and cook until carrots are tender. Add all the ingredients to a blender and blitz until smooth. Next, press the puree through a fine sieve into the pan. Season to taste and keep warm. For the garnish, peel the carrot into ribbons, pat dry with a paper towel, add to vegetable oil and cook. These will cook really fast, so watch them. Take out, place on a paper towel, add salt and put to one side. For the toasted macadamia nuts, add to a hot pan and toast to a light golden brown. Transfer to a pestle and mortar and lightly smash. So there you have it, just carrots. So beautiful, so delicious. Give this one a go. Thanks guys. I am looking forward to this. Look at that. Oh. Get some of that dressing. Oh yeah. Mmm. Wow. Mmm. And that puree is nice and sweet. It's not in your face, it's just in the background, really nice. And I love the roasted macadamia nuts. They had a nice touch. And especially texture as well. Give this a go guys. It's bloody delicious and I guarantee any vegetarian will love this dish. Thanks guys.